Listen guys, you seen the title and the thumbnail, and we about to cut up in this kitchen today. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a chicken scampi with that garlic Parmesan rice. Don't miss this one. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's get to it. Let's do a quick rundown of what we have back here. We have our boneless chicken breast, and I cut these into little strips like this, or you could just buy the tenderloins, them already cut in tenderloins, that's fine. We have some rice here. I've already washed it and rinsed it. Chicken broth. We have some white wine. Guys, if you don't want to use white wine, that's fine, but keep it in there. Listen, it does wonders for this particular recipe. We have some freshly chopped parsley, chopped garlic, Parmesan cheese, some black pepper, juice of 1 lemon, olive oil, stick of butter, garlic powder, and we use some adobo season there. Now, if you don't have any adobo season, use seasoned salt or salt and pepper, totally up to you. Let's get to it. All right, let's start by seasoning our chicken with our garlic powder, our adobo seasoning, and our black pepper. And just go in with your hands and get at a good mix. Really simple. Let's head over to our stove and continue. All right, so let's get started by heating up our olive oil. We're gonna let that come up to temperature over medium heat. All right, looks like our oil is up to temperature. We're just gonna start adding them here to our pan. And we're gonna cook them all the way through until they're brown and completely done. I'm gonna have to cook them in 2 batches. All right, we're gonna start turning these babies over. All right guys, so it looks like we're good right here. We're gonna start removing our chicken. We're gonna put it here in an empty bowl here. I got an empty bowl here. I'm gonna sit it in here. And I'm gonna go ahead and continue with the remaining chicken pieces. Yeah guys, looks like we are good now. We're just gonna add these to that same bowl. We're gonna set them aside. All right, so we're gonna continue by melting our butter. We're gonna add our garlic, and we're gonna saute this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure your garlic doesn't burn. Guys, I know this looks like that the garlic is burned because of, you know, the leftover grease that was in the pan, but it's not. I can assure you of that because I can smell it. All right, so after about those 3 minutes, what you want to do is you want to add your white wine and your lemon juice. And you want to get this mixed in here. Turn your heat up to a medium high. You want to stir it and cook this for about 5 minutes until it reduced by half. And hit that with a little salt. See, as you can see, once I added that wine and our lemon juice, kind of brightened up our garlic. That's how I knew it wasn't burnt. I know guys, because I know people will get in the comments and say, oh, he burnt the garlic. Shut up. No, I didn't. And we're going to continue to cook this for the next 3.5 minutes. All right, once it starts to reduce, you want to take about 2 tablespoons of this mixture and you want to reserve it. Next, you want to come behind that and add your rice. And when you want to cook this rice for about 3 to 4 minutes until it starts to turn brown. Once you see the rice start to turn brown, you want to add your chicken broth. We'll add a little salt to that. And we're going to bring this to a low boil. Once it reaches that low boil like this, we're gonna cover it up, reduce our heat down to medium low, and we're gonna let this cook for the next 15 to 20 minutes. You wanna make sure you stir too during the first 15 minutes of your rice cooking, maybe 2 to 3 times. This is like my third time right here. Got about a couple more minutes left. Cover that up. All right, guys, so it's been 20 minutes. Let's remove our top. Let's give this baby a good mix. And how you know it's done is when that your liquid has been removed. We're gonna turn our heat off. Let's not forget to turn that heat off. We're gonna sprinkle this with our Parmesan cheese now. We're gonna add our chicken back here on the top. We're gonna take that reserved butter and garlic we had, and we're gonna drizzle it here over our chicken like this. We're gonna come behind that and sprinkle that with some of that green stuff. Add a little bit more of that Parmesan cheese. We're gonna cover this baby up, remove it from our stove, let it sit for 5 minutes, and we're gonna come back for the final presentation. All right, so after that 5 minutes, you're gonna remove your top, and voila, guys. Take a look at that. Need I say more? Except there you have it. Chicken scampi with garlic Parmesan rice. Man, drop it in the comment section below. I wanna know what you think about this recipe. Let's jump into quality control, because it's time for that taste test. Let's go. Listen, this is the moment we all been waiting for. Y'all already know quality control. Chicken scampi, garlic Parmesan rice. Need I say more? Let's get to it. Oh man. Listen, I almost dropped this damn thing, bruh. Excuse my French. Oh man. Chicken. Oh. God, this a wrap. Listen, I ain't gonna even try to convince you. These are groceries. So, until then, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, him not a chef. Him just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.